It's a typical day for Penn State meteorology student Brandon Katona. Katona begins his day by looking at the weather patterns, but in the palm of his hand. This has become routine for many meteorology students today. According to Pew Research Center, today 77% of Americans own a smartphone, so why not make them useful in our professional lives? On the road, meteorologists can use the app RadarScope to tell exact location of a storm cell.
Ever since the iPhone came out and the advent of mobile internet, storm chasers have had access to internet and all sorts of weather information in the palm of their hand. So we know immediately as soon as forecasts update where storms are likely to form, and then once the storms form, we can use mobile radar apps such as WeatherScope to determine from the very first radar echo where a storm is forming, where it's headed.
RadarScope is advertised as the professional radar for the average Joe, but can be used for more than just the average Joe. The app includes features such as lightning data and storm tracker. Both can tell you the approximate time of the arrival of a storm cell. Meteorologists use more than just one app when forecasting at hand. Recently, students at Penn State have been participating in an ongoing snow research. The research looks at the dendrites within the snowflake crystals. To make things more efficient, this research can be done in an app with a magnifier that attaches to the phone.
You can take these snowflake crystal pictures on some flat surface. Ideally, it's a dark surface so you can actually see the crystal, and you can focus in on it. And then when we're done, we take the observations of the crystal and actually report them in via what's called MPing.
Today, we are dependent on our smartphones, but they can be seen as beneficial to many different professional careers. In State College, I'm Paige Walsh.